Emiliano. First platoon leader, boys, King Elmer Francia. Second platoon leader, boys, Felipe O. Ribuya. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Mabher Ribuya. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Charis Iloso. First platoon leader, girls, Charis B. Oxiano. Second platoon leader, girls, Nina Grace A. Gayol. Mapi Company Commander, Prince Ervin Arada. Mapi Company EXO, John Matthew Lovete. First platoon leader, Naspi Buenaflor. Second platoon leader, Casey Bustamante. School head, John Joseph Nino H. Briones. CTP Mapi Facilitator, Joan B. Belhica. Majors Coordinator, George Benjamin R. Fabiner. DXNC Coordinator, George Benjamin R. Fabiner. MG number 25, Lagunoy High School Incorporated, Santa Maria, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 25, Lagunoy High School, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur.
Again po, kasi po ang nakapurot ng pouch, the color blue, Mr. Levi San Jose, Cagnaga City.